Legends of Learning presents the Spaceship Shapes game. This is a math game that makes learning about non-verbal analogies fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you will have to help collect the missing shapes to help repair your spaceship. Choose the correct shapes that will complete the sequence of shapes and colors to solve the puzzles. Solve all the puzzles to repair your spaceship. Use the mouse to click on the correct shapes to complete the sequence. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Great job. Keep up the good work. We'll get this engine running in no time. Let's play some more.